F140 is on the website now, and let me tell you, she's ready to go straight to work. She's built to last and is trusted by us certified farmers.
Certified what?
Just hold the camera and shut up. She's got the 540/1000 RPM PTO. Brand new tyres. They're 520/85 𝐅�38s on the back and 420/85 𝐅�38s on the front. She's got a 6-litre turbocharged engine and front weights on the front.
Not the only thing heavy, mate.
What?
It's got a body built like an iPhone.
You know 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬. This machine has been well maintained. Interior and the exterior are in serious condition. A bit like myself.
Well, that's just a lie.
What? I'm telling you, have a problem with me, buddy. She's fuel efficient, she's very low maintenance, and she has a proven track record. And for £5.97, she could be all yours because of me. LuckyDayCompetitions.com. Get your tickets bought.